Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I'm decorating a spread for one of my patrons over on Patreon. This one is going to be for Beth. Thank you, Beth, for being a patron again this month. Now, she requested a Christmas themed spread on a monthly. So I have some monthly pages and she uses a big. And then I have this KellofaPlan sticker book, Christmas Stickers Volume 4 that I'm going to be using for this spread. And I think I want to do, I really like these. So I'm going to do this sheet here. Now, she doesn't need boxes or anything like that. So it's just a decorative spread. Oh, are these perforated? Oh, let me rip this out. So she doesn't need boxes. So I'm just going to put down decorative stickers, washi, that kind of stuff, quotes, and just decorate the pages for her. Okay, so first up is this one right here. Since it's a little corner piece, I feel like that needs to go there. I'm just gonna place like Christmas trees around the spread because I think that'll be cute. Could do one here. A little scene maybe would be cute on Christmas. We'll do it in the middle. Actually, I just don't want to see the lettering behind. Okay, we'll do that right here for the holidays. All right, and then this side, I will do this little scene up here. And then a tree there. Okay, and then I got a Merry and Bright. Let's do that going this way. And then I have another like little banner. So I'm gonna put that this way. This is gonna come together pretty quick, I feel, as you can see. Ooh, I have these little ornaments. Maybe I can make some like dangling down. But let me put some more little decorative bits around the ornaments there since that tree is not decorated. And then I got presents. Put a present here. You know, let me go grab some washi so I can put some washi down on the spread. I'm gonna go traditional red and green for the washi. And this is Planything washi, which is the best. Love some Planything washi. All right, so Washi Card. Let's do red on the top. And then I can do green. Green on the bottom. Oops, wrong color. Green. Okay, and then I got some quotes. This one says, Christmas is the day that holds all time together. And then I have, actually, let me do this one. The best Christmas gift is the gift of family. Oh, that's sweet. Okay, and then I want to do a green one over here. So this one says, gifts of time and love are truly the basic ingredients of a Merry Christmas. One more. At Christmas, all roads lead home. So we'll put that there. Okay, so quotes are good now. Oops, my washi. Oh, you know what? Actually, I want to put more washi down. So let's put washi maybe. I always struggle with washi within the spread a little bit, not gonna lie. So I don't want it to be super overpowering, but But I do want washi a little bit around. Okay, I'm gonna go with that. I think that's good. Okay, so continuing on. Oh, I have this big tree right here. So I'm just gonna stick this in the corner in this bottom section. I'm gonna leave this open so she can use it as she needs. But let me just randomly place this stuff around just to have some like Christmassy kind of elements around the spread. I got some presents I can maybe scatter around. Oh, I got these little cups, like little hot cocoa mugs. That's cute. Another one. Let's do this one here. And I got some little cookies. That's cute. Just like some fun Christmas elements. Oh, I like this little horse. Put that there. Okay. It's coming together very nicely. Okay, so I have these little ornaments. I was thinking of like dangling them down the page. Let's just start adding them. Just kind of scattered around a little bit, different heights. I don't like the way I did that. Do this one. This one. Okay, so let's see how this, actually, let me move this over. What I want to do is I want to kind of connect these to this line. So I'm going to get like a pretty thin pen. And, oh, this pen is dead. No. Okay. So I'm just connecting the ornaments to the top line. Like that. So it looks like they're dangling. They're kind of like hanging. Okay, there's some ornaments there. I'm gonna add some here to dangle off the washi here. And then I'll have to put some on this side too. Okay, so I'll do 3 here. Okay, and then have these coming off of the washi. Oops, this one needs to move over a little bit more. It's like right on the edge of the washi. Okay, so there's that, and then I can do some hanging from here. Okay, these here. Oops, I need to fix that. I kind of smeared the ink on the page. So I need to fix that. Okay. All right, I'm gonna get my white pen and just do a little white out right here. My little mistake. Okay, let that dry. All right, I think that's pretty cute. And then I'm gonna do this wreath here because I feel like it's empty and I just want something here. And then she can like label this whatever she wants and then kind of do a little note taking there. I really love like this picture, the camera with the Polaroid. So I really want to put this down because I really like that. We'll just add it here. Okay, I think that looks pretty good. Okay, like I said, she doesn't want boxes. She puts boxes down herself when she needs them. So I think that's a pretty good decorative-wise spread for Beth this month. All right, so love how it turned out. So ready for all the Christmas spreads. This is a great Christmas sticker book if you're interested in purchasing it. It is from KellofaPlan. So definitely check it out. I don't know if it's still in stock, but definitely check out KellofaPlan. She has tons and tons of sticker books. So that is it for this video. Beth, I hope you liked your spread. I hope you all enjoyed watching. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.